Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2004 Yamaha 60 horse tiller. This came back at 90 psi in all 3 cylinders. This is a 20-inch motor. Did new spark plugs, new impeller, new lower unit lube, pressure tested the lower unit, that was good. Cleaned the fuel system. We'll go ahead and fire this up here. I am going to have to turn on the fan. It is 2-stroke, smokes a little. Yeah, good water coming out. Head footer forward. Got a soaked foot now, but that's all right. In neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Try not to soak my foot this time. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great day.